Oh, I didn't see you there. What's going on, guys? Ryan Martello here at the Crypto Fiend Studios, and today we have a news episode for you guys. We're going to be looking into a handful of very exciting articles revolving around crypto, of course, and we are going to be looking at the price movement briefly. Now, to start things off, thank you to all you subscribers for supporting the channel, as well as mashing on that like button. You guys are the absolute best. And if you're not subscribed and you do find this video informative, consider subscribing for quality content in the future. So to start things off, right now with the market, we are tapering off a little bit. We're around $225 billion at our high for yesterday, and we're currently at $210 billion. There's not much to really determine what's really happening right now. In my own opinion, I think we just recently experienced a fake out breakout where we get this hype and momentum in the market because we did practically hit the basement for cryptocurrencies, in my opinion, where we couldn't really go much lower because everyone left in the space is really just holding on to their cryptocurrencies in their portfolios. They're not going to sell, stuff like that. So what I think happened is we had some money flowing back into the crypto space. The majority of people saw gains of 20, 30, even 50% yesterday and the day before, and they cashed out. They took their little bit of profit. They doubled their money. They made half on their money, whatever. So that's what I think we just recently experienced, and we're having a little bit of a correction. So hopefully if we can keep this level around $210 billion for the rest of the day and continue it into tomorrow, maybe we could see a larger momentum throughout the following week and get our way closer to around 250 to even $300 billion. So right now with the prices of cryptos, not much to really talk about right now. We have the majority are in the negative as of right now due to, of course, that little fake out breakout. Vechain is experiencing a rather large drop at 17.5%. Now, Vechain did have a huge run up the past day of over 50%. So it's understandable why it's having a little bit of a cool down right now. Now, there's no specific reason why Vechain had this momentum it did. A lot of investors are thinking it's mainly due to Vechain just being a phenomenal project and team, and they've been working really hard on the development and getting partnerships. Partnerships are a big deal. So that's why people think the majority of investors are thinking that Vechain did so well the past day, is people are really starting to see the potential in this project. And so am I. So that's all we're going to be really looking at for the price movement of cryptocurrencies. Again, not much to talk about, and I don't want to bore you guys too much with just looking over these bland charts. And of course, the biggest gainers on the day are a bunch of cryptocurrencies under 100 million in total volume, 24-hour volume. So over here, there's not much to look at as well. So the first news article I have for you guys is going to be SIM swapping. This is a big problem we've all been, not all of us, but a lot of investors, big famous investors have been dealing with lately, is that their SIM cards are getting swapped in the sense where hackers are going into mobile carriers like AT&T, Verizon, etc., and showing fake identity to get a new SIM card of the person they're trying to hack. In doing that, they can get the SMS codes for that phone, and then they can hack into exchange accounts, wallets, stuff like that, and that's just a big issue. So this story is rather interesting. It's about a gentleman that got hacked over the past couple months, and he's finally doing something about it by suing AT&T for $224 million. Wow. So pretty much on August 15th, American investor Michael Turpin filed a $224 million lawsuit against AT&T. He believes that the telecoms giant had provided hackers with access to his phone number, which led to a major crypto heist. Michael Turpin is a Puerto Rico-based entrepreneur, yada, yada, yada. Turpin claims that he lost $24 million worth of cryptocurrencies as a result of two hackers that occurred over the course of 7 months. The 69-page complaint he filed with California law firm Greenberg Gloucester mentions two separate episodes on June 11th and January 7th. In both cases, AT&T, he believes that they gave these hackers of course, their SIM card information. What AT&T did was like a hotel giving a thief with a fake ID, a room key, and a key to the room safe to steal jewelry in the safe from the rightful owner. The complaint states, arguing that Turpin fell victim to a SIM swap fraud, also known as SIM hijacking or a port out scam. So we're not going to be going into too much more detail, but pretty much Turpin is filing a lawsuit to AT&T for $224 million. He says he's seeking $200 million in punitive damages and $24 million in compensation for his cryptocurrency losses. And this really is a big deal, guys, because someone could easily walk into your mobile carrier with a fake ID claiming to be you and getting your a new SIM card and then being able to access all your personal information. It should not be that simple. And it's very unfortunate considering even a couple months ago, the CEO of Substratum, their Twitter was hacked. And the hacker posted, "Oh, we're getting listed on Coinbase to pump the price." And he did come out and announce that it was due to a SIM card hack. Someone got access to a new SIM card and was able to access their Twitter account. Who knows what else they could have accessed with that as well. So hopefully we can kind of figure out a way to eliminate this whole issue. Your best way right now, if you do have the option between SMS and Google Authenticator, I would use Google Authenticator because it's not directly linked to your mobile carrier or your SIM card directly. It's linked to the app on your phone, so it's just your phone. If they have access to your phone, then of course they can get to it, but don't let anyone get access to your phone. So next up, we do have EA hacker ordered to post $750,000 bail in cryptocurrencies. This is the largest case in history for bail in cryptocurrencies. A man who stands accused of illegally accessing the secure network of well-known gaming company Electronic Arts, EA, was arrested in San Francisco on August 8th, attempting to board a flight to Serbia. Martin Parish, 25, made an initial appearance in court on August 9th over a criminal complaint charging him with crimes related to illegally intrusion of the computer network. So I'm not going to be reading into all of this, but to sum it up for you guys, Marish hacked into servers for EA Sports, or EA specifically. And EA is responsible for around $8.5 billion in assets, which is massive. So pretty much what Marish did is he hacked into 25,000 accounts, as you can see here, where people had their personal information on there, personal credit card information, where you can purchase in-game items like skins, weapon skins, guns, whatever it is. So Marish tampered with these systems, accessed this personal information, and allegedly stole approximately $324,000 worth of funds from these accounts. So what the judge did is pretty crazy. The judge posted a bail for him at an equivalent of $750,000 in cryptocurrencies. The bail can be paid in Bitcoin or altcoins as Marish sees fit. While it may seem like an unusual decision, U.S. judges can set bail terms at their own discretion based on which assets the defendant has access to. Property can also be used to post bail charges. Marish apparently has access to a large sum of cryptocurrency, and enabling him to potentially foot the bill for what seems to have been a cyber robbery gone wrong. So this is pretty crazy, guys. This guy hacked into EA, stole around $324,000 worth of funds from these accounts, and his bail is $750,000 in cryptocurrencies. Now, why the judge chose cryptocurrencies, we may never know. It is probably due to Marish most likely having a large fund in cryptocurrencies due to him really using the black market also to sell these accounts, stuff like that. So I thought this was pretty crazy, guys. I mean, something like simple as hacking nowadays is something as large of a scale as this. Next up, Overstock and Bitcoin price charts correlation. A lot of investors came to notice that Overstock's charts and Bitcoin charts seem to be looking rather similar. Now, it could just be a coincidence, or it could be tied to something a lot larger. So to sum this up for you guys, Overstock, if you guys don't know them, they're a large retail company. They sell a lot of furniture, goods, stuff like that. And they're one of the first companies to initiate Bitcoin payments back in 2014. And the CEO himself is very passionate and very enthusiastic about cryptocurrencies, and is even an advisor for a lot of projects. So a lot of people came to notice that the charts are looking rather similar, not identical, but kind of similar in the sense of when Bitcoin pumps, Overstock pumps. When Bitcoin has a tapering off, Overstock does as well. So this is the 2013 bubble. As you can see, there's a little bit of similarity when it comes to the downtrend, sideways movement, as you can see here. A little bit of a dip, kind of like the same dip right there, and then another dip right there. If we go down here, 2017 bull run, this was back in May of 2017. At the same level, they both began to pump. Rather interesting, if you ask me. Same down here, Act 3 of correlation. Right here, this is on February 6th. January 18th, this is when we experienced that rally. Right here, this is where we pumped. A little bit of downtrend. Sideways. This is practically the same thing, you know. It's pretty crazy. So there's no guarantee of if this has anything to do with each other, or it's just a scenario. Maybe investors of Overstock are also invested in cryptocurrencies, and they know that the CEO is very supportive of crypto, or maybe it's inside trading. Who knows? We'll never know. So that's all the news I have for you guys today. Now, one last thing, we are going to be doing 2 giveaways in this video. I forgot to do a giveaway that I posted about 3 videos ago, so I have to do that for you guys. And then I am also going to be picking the winner for the Crypto Fiend hat from yesterday's news episode. So first up, we are going to be picking a winner from this video right here from 1 week ago. Adoption is closer than we think. I'm going to be copying this, and we're going to get a winner for this video. So congratulations to the winner, and of course we are going to be doing more giveaways in the future, but of course we can't be doing them all the time because I would go broke. So the winner, 141 comments, the winner is Ben Allen. Nicely done. Thanks for working hard on the community. Thank you, Ben. Congratulations for winning. I will be leaving a comment on your comment below, and I will be sending your funds probably within the next hour or 2 hours from posting this video. So the next one we have to choose is going to be from yesterday's video, which is Ripple. Ripple partners with 3 exchanges, and this is for the hat. The winner of this giveaway is for a Crypto Fiend hat. So I will be commenting on your comment, and you can send me an email to send me your shipping address, and then I will ship you out the hat within the week. So Troy Botch, bulls are back, hold your coins. I highly agree with that. I am holding my coins for dear life. I'm not letting any of them go. Congratulations, Troy. I will be sure to comment on your comment to get your shipping information so I can get you your hat. So thank you to everyone who has been really watching and supporting the channel throughout the weeks. I know cryptocurrencies are really bland right now. I mean, it's very exciting when we have those short pumps, but when we go back down and we see red again, it's not very exciting. So hopefully we can continue this momentum. I can keep pumping out great quality news to you guys. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing, and I will catch you in the next.